Hello, come with us to the safari park. So of course the first thing we did when we got on the drive is got some snacks. My brother and I had different drinks and I tried these.
You can have this. This stuff nasty.
After that we didn't really do much, we just recorded ourselves. Look at this.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bombastic side eye.
I do not know why that girl was looking at me like that. I was just talking. So we got to the safari park and we saw a zebra, and this is how we reacted when the zebra stuck his head in the window.
Hi.
Yes, I know we was being so loud and dramatic, but afterwards we saw an ostrich.
You supposed to be the king, you supposed to protect the pride.
That ugly old bird.
Okay, now I know I was wrong for calling that bird ugly, and it's not ugly. I was just afraid. Sorry. Headphone users, you might want to turn down your volume. Okay, but the camera literally picked up the food and wasted it on me, and it got all in my shirt, and you don't understand how upset I was.
We ain't got no more food.
This video is literally so hilarious to me. But after that, everything calmed down and we saw some giraffes. They were so beautiful. And then we saw some peacocks.
It's lots of animals. Let's be sleep. Hey, birdie.
And no, but I really feel bad for that bird. He looked so sad, like he didn't want to be there. Okay, here's some pictures that we took. And of course, the aftermath.